Exam Rabbit Score Gallery. The Exam Rabbit Score Gallery serves as proof and testimony of the team's expertise, showcasing their success in solving over 7,000 exams in the past 5 years. This gallery highlights the skills and legitimacy of Exam Rabbit, demonstrating their proven ability to bypass all proctored software securely and consistently deliver A-grade results for your exams. Payment. Team Exam Rabbit never asks for upfront payment from students, as they are 200% confident in their expertise. Unlike scammers, they solve your exam first. Once the exam is completed to your satisfaction, you can make payment through secure methods such as credit cards, debit cards, or other multiple payment options. Bypass method. Team Exam Rabbit takes full responsibility for ensuring the security and privacy of students. They employ 200% safe and secure methods to bypass proctored software, using techniques that are completely undetectable. Unlike inexperienced individuals who rely on risky remote applications and risk detection, Exam Rabbit provides superior expertise in assisting students with their proctored exams using 100% undetectable methods. This is the supremacy of Exam Rabbit's commitment to excellence in bypassing all proctored softwares. Pricing. Exam Rabbit offers the most competitive and affordable pricing tailored for students. With a no upfront payment policy, budget-friendly rates, excellent results, and secure bypass methods, Exam Rabbit has proven itself as the #1 choice for students seeking assistance with their online exams. To get help from exam takers and bypass technicians of Team Exam Rabbit Help, simply contact them at examrabbithelp@gmail.com or check the description of this video to fill out their exam help request form. You will get assistance within 30 minutes of your contact. Does Lockdown Browser detect eye movements? Here's the full breakdown. With the rise of online exams, tools like Lockdown Browser have become a staple for ensuring academic integrity. A common question is, can Lockdown Browser detect eye movements? Let's dive into how Lockdown Browser works, its capabilities, and whether your eye movements are being tracked. How Lockdown Browser works. Lockdown Browser is a specialized software that restricts access to other applications and websites, locks your screen to ensure you remain focused on the exam interface, disables functions like screen recording, copy-paste, and keyboard shortcuts. However, Lockdown Browser itself does not have built-in capabilities to monitor eye movements. This feature, if present, comes from proctoring software that often works alongside Lockdown Browser. Can Lockdown Browser detect eye movements? 1. Lockdown Browser alone cannot directly detect or monitor eye movements. Its primary role is to secure your computer environment during the exam. 2. With proctoring software. When Lockdown Browser is paired with proctoring tools like Respondus, Monitor, Proctorio, or similar AI-based systems, your webcam can be used to track your face and eyes. These tools may analyze gaze direction. Are you looking away from the screen frequently? Head movements. Are you turning your head unnaturally as if looking at notes or a secondary screen? Behavioral patterns. Are you showing signs of distraction or engaging with external objects? Advanced AI algorithms analyze these cues to detect suspicious behavior. If anything unusual is flagged, a live proctor or instructor may review the footage. How eye tracking works in proctoring. Webcam usage. Your webcam captures your facial expressions and gaze direction. AI algorithms. These tools analyze your eye movements, focusing on whether your eyes are staying on the screen or frequently wandering elsewhere. Behavioral flags. Constantly looking away, repeated glances to a specific area, or prolonged focus on something other than the screen can raise red flags. Can you trick eye movement detection? 1. Challenges with detection. While AI proctoring tools are advanced, they aren't perfect. They can mistake natural movements, like looking around to think, for suspicious behavior. However, intentional attempts to cheat, like looking at notes or a phone, are often more obvious and easily flagged. 2. Risk of manual review. Even if the AI doesn't immediately flag your behavior, recorded footage is often reviewed by proctors or instructors. Suspicious patterns can result in your exam being voided or worse. What happens if you're flagged? If the system detects unusual eye movements or behavior, it may trigger alerts. During the exam, live proctors might intervene or send warnings. Post-exam review. Suspicious activity can lead to your session being flagged for further investigation. Academic penalties. Depending on your institution's policies, this could include a failing grade, suspension, or expulsion. How to avoid eye movement flags. 1. Stay focused. Keep your eyes on the screen as much as possible. Natural glances away are fine, but avoid prolonged or repeated looks in the same direction. 2. Prepare your workspace. Remove all distractions and unauthorized materials from your environment before the exam begins. 3. Follow instructions. Complete any required environment scans and ensure you're positioned properly in front of the camera. Conclusion. While Lockdown Browser itself cannot detect eye movements, proctoring software used alongside, or if it's integrated with webcam, then it can monitor your gaze through your webcam. These tools are designed to ensure you're focused on your exam and not engaging in suspicious behavior. The best way to succeed in an online exam is to hire a team of exam rabbit help to take this exam for you, as they have a professional team of experienced exam bypass technicians and genius exam takers. Simply contact them at examrabbithelp@gmail.com and pass your exam with an excellent score. There is a zero risk of being caught while using assistance of Exam Rabbit Help, as they are solving multiple exams on daily basis for last 7 years.